long line.
When it comes to cutting that coke, who got the best trimmers? Who got the best trimmers? Got the best trimmers. I got them big spenders, got them big spenders. All I curl is my index finger.
You guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but today I'm actually trying to get a workout in. Like, I want to push myself and burn some calories, and the main reason why I want to push myself on this climb because Thanksgiving is 3 days away and I'm trying to eat. I'm trying to eat real good. So this is how I essentially get ready for Thanksgiving. Rocky Peak Park. I gotta make this quick because the hiker was gonna go down. He let me go through. Thank you. First trail up. Animal trail to warm up. I hit this once with Carson a while back. So jagged. So sick. The last thing I remember from this trail is it's a lot of control. You gain too much speed on certain sections, you get thrown off. You. Good stuff. I didn't really get to catch my breath. I just did the climb and went straight to it, which is a little more challenging. I want to hit lower G. This is a tricky one. Hey, we did it. When you look at this, how we go around it? Oh, it's not too bad. Wrong line. Dude. I ain't gonna lie, I almost lost it. You know what I've realized now that it's getting colder? I'm sure there's like a chemical explanation to this, and it makes sense. Like, things aren't as elastic in colder weather, and I feel like my brakes aren't as responsive when it's colder versus when it's hot or it's like normal temps, like in the 70s or above. My brakes feel pretty good, and these aren't the greatest brakes to begin with, but that's definitely something I've been noticing as I get these early morning rides in. I don't know if any of you guys out there have experienced that or know if that's a real thing, but I definitely feel it. Probably do some research. I'll probably Google it and try to figure it out. Maybe I could switch the oil out, something that's a little better in colder temps, but we'll see. That first trail definitely didn't feel as like confident because of the brakes, but it is what it is. I know it's just gonna get warmer, so I'm pretty sure the second run's gonna feel a lot better. Dude, it's such a small world. Not really that small, but I ran into Daniel, Sean, and Edmund on the climb up. I caught him. I was originally going to do Dirty Bird, but I ran into them. I was like, dude, I'll roll with you guys. Catch a cool little sesh.
Yeah, I had 24 miles. You were dead. And I was, no, 20%. I still had about...
Get it? Yeah. Alright. Set up with him. These guys are mobsters. Hands down, some of the fastest people in Simi. My front rotor needs some love. I was getting lost here, man. Oh. For these guys, good stuff. My dude in front of me, he's 54 years old, shredding like he's 20. Oh, you up? Ah. You good?
Yeah.
Get it, man. I'll let you pull through. Dude, the Grudge is a fun one though. It's so chunky. Can't forget about that little rock over.
Elbow that's not covered.
Whoa. A line that was just so. Oh dang!
The leaf break or the whole? There's a little gap jump, like maybe 5 feet.
Yeah.
Stay with me.
I'll follow you guys' lead. I'll kind of scope how you guys are hitting it, and then
He's got it.
I'll mimic that.
And it's just, this is called bat out of hell. It's just a straight shot.
All right.
Really fast.
Yeah, Sean's rocking. Sean's rocking no chain right now. Oh yeah. This is fake work. Holy smokes, man. That was money.
Like that?
That line. Oh, dude, I'm gonna have to hit that every time. Thank you, gents.
Later, bro.
Good ride. Got the goods. I was running low on like some breakfast food, so I stopped by the store before I got home. Bagels, chorizo, tortillas. Dude, you know what's been like my go-to breakfast lately? It's been a plain bagel with cream cheese and a little bit of jelly, and it's just been Huge shout out to Edmund, Sean, and Daniel, man. I had a strong feeling I was gonna run into them on that mountain because they ride there so much. And you know what's crazy? It's so cool to see like locals shred their trails because these guys were flying. Like, it's insane how fast they're going down these mountains. And it's because obviously they're good, but they also feel comfortable on these trails. You know, they hit them so many times, they got it like locked in like the back of their hand. So it was really cool catching up with them. Solid day in the sun. I hope you guys enjoyed this little adventure with me. I'll catch you on the next one.